My name is Manav. I'm from Kozhikode, Kerala, and I chose Alliance for a few reasons. I really like the syllabus and the course structure here. I am planning to choose animation and film design. Compared to other colleges where they only focus on animation, here we have also film designing concepts like photography and cinematography.
I'm Salvadarshini R from Tamil Nadu. I'm doing my Bachelor of Design in Alliance School of Design. And I gave my UCEED exam and secure rank 297. And Alliance offered me 35% scholarship. My favorite thing in Alliance is they often take us on industrial visit, which actually helps see how industry works.
I'm Rishivant. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I got rank 389 in UCEED. I got offers from a lot of colleges, and when I did my research, I found out that Alliance was a really great design college. We have a lot of faculties we can actually talk to like friends.
As said by Steve Jobs, design is not just about what it feels like and what it looks like. Design is all about how it works. Hi, I'm Arpit Verma. I'm from Patna. I gave UCEED exam and also got good ranking. I chose Alliance because of the good faculties here. They are all graduated from IITs, NIDs and NIFTs. All the buildings here in the campus are inspired from Roman architecture. We have many spots where we can sketch and look into the perspectives.
My name is Swan. I'm at Alliance University and I'm studying for product design. Alliance University offers a lot of facilities to actually learn product design. We have learned pottery, we have learned sculpting, and we have gone to multiple museums to know more about the local traditions and sculptings.